Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Cash App payments declining error. One of the primary reasons for declined payments on Cash App is insufficient funds in your Cash App balance or linked bank account. To prevent this issue, make sure you have enough funds available before initiating a transaction. Outdated or incorrect personal information can also lead to declined payments. To avoid this, ensure that all your details, including your name, address, and phone number, are accurate and up to date on your Cash App account. If you are using a debit or credit card for payments on Cash App, double check the card details you have entered are correct. Incorrect card information can result in declined transactions. Verify the card number and details and billing address to ensure accuracy. If you receive a notification about a declined transaction, review it carefully. Cash App may ask you to confirm whether you recognize the transaction within the app. Take prompt action to confirm or report any unauthorized activity to prevent future declines. If you have tried the above steps and are still experiencing payment declines, it is advisable to reach out to Cash App support for assistance. They can provide personalized guidance and help resolve any underlying issues that may be causing the payment declines. Contacting Cash App support ensures that you receive accurate and up-to-date information specific to your account. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.